How did people see before glasses were invented? Hi, welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Hey, do you wear glasses? I have to wear glasses. I've worn glasses since I was 8 years old. In fact, I remember the day I got my glasses. When I put them on for the first time, it was like a whole world was suddenly opened up to me. I could see everything so clearly. I had no idea how much I was missing. I had no frame of reference. To me, things far away were just blurry, but not anymore. I would say that of all the inventions that humans have created, glasses have to be one of the best. I mean, without them, you wouldn't be listening to my voice right now, because I wouldn't have been able to put this episode together. Things start being blurry just a few inches from my face. That means that without glasses, I couldn't use a computer. And if I couldn't use a computer, I couldn't edit this episode. So I'm really grateful that glasses were invented. But it makes me wonder, what did people do before glasses were invented? Well, I guess it goes without saying that before glasses were invented, some people just had to live with blurry vision. See, back then, there were still people who were nearsighted and farsighted or had trouble seeing clearly as they got older. So people found ways to work around it as best they could. And really, it just meant that the world was more accommodating to people who couldn't see very well. For example, if someone could see far away, but they had trouble reading up close, that's called being farsighted. They might hold the book farther from their face, or they might ask someone to read aloud, or they might use a brighter light, or they might just not read as much. See, for most of history, most people did not spend their days staring at books or screens or tiny print the way that we do now. If your job was farming or cooking or building things or washing things or taking care of animals, blurry reading vision, it would still be annoying, but it might not stop you from doing a lot of your everyday things. And if you were nearsighted, which means you can see near but you can't see far away, maybe you would find a job that did require reading because that was something you could do. People back then just had to adapt. There were also early tools that helped people see small things better. Before eyeglasses, people used magnifying objects, including something called a reading stone. Do you know what a reading stone is? A reading stone, it was a rounded piece of clear material placed directly on top of writing to make the letters look bigger. It was useful, but it wasn't the same as wearing glasses on your face. It was not nearly as convenient. The first true eyeglasses are traced to northern Italy in the late 1200s. Yeah, that long ago. And we're unsure of who exactly invented them, but the earliest glasses were mostly for people who had trouble seeing up close, especially older readers. So they used something called convex lenses, and convex means the lens curves outward. That shape can make nearby words look clearer for someone whose eyes need help focusing up close. And early eyeglasses didn't have the arms that hook over your ears the way they do now. So early pairs were held in front of the eyes or just balanced on the nose. Glasses for nearsighted people came later. Those are the kind of glasses that I use. Remember, nearsighted means you can see close, but far away things look blurry. Those glasses use concave lenses, and concave means the lenses curve inward. That shape helps spread the light before it enters the eye so the image can focus in the right place. See, here's how it works. This is what they had to figure out. Your eyes need light to focus on the retina. And the retina is the light-sensing part at the back of the eye. When the shape of the eye causes light to focus in the wrong spot, things look blurry. For some people, the eye is a little too long from front to back, so far away things look blurry. For others, the eye may focus light slightly behind the retina, which can make nearby things harder to see clearly. Glasses bend the light before it reaches your eye, helping the picture land clearly where it's supposed to. Glasses became much more common after the printing press was invented in the 1450s, because suddenly, many more people were reading books and needing help seeing small words. Over the next few hundred years, eyeglasses slowly spread across Europe, but they became truly widespread during the 1800s and early 1900s. So not even that long ago. That was when factories learned how to make glasses more cheaply, and more people began reading newspapers and books every day. So before glasses, people didn't really have a great solution. They could use magnifiers, or they just had to rely on other people. But now, with a few simple tests at the eye doctor, you can get a pair of custom lenses that make the world crystal clear. I am so grateful to live in the time that we live in. Okay, let's have a quick quiz. What is the name of the part at the back of the eye that light needs to focus on? It's called the retina. And what kind of early tool could be placed on top of writing to make letters look bigger? It was called a reading stone. And what word means nearby things are clear, but far away things look blurry? That's called being nearsighted. Let's play true or false. True or false? Before glasses, some people had to sit closer to what they wanted to see. Yep, that's true. True or false? The first eyeglasses were invented in the late 1200s. That is true. True or false? A reading stone was worn on the face like modern glasses. Nope, that's false. It was placed on the thing you were reading. True or false? Glasses help by bending light before it enters the eye. That is true. Would you rather have a fun new pair of glasses to wear every day, or never have to wear glasses at all? You know, I have worn glasses for so long, I can't really imagine life without them. So as much as I kind of want to say never wear glasses again, I think in a way I might miss them. So I guess I would pick a fun new pair of glasses to wear every day. All right, let's play What Am I? What am I? I am inside your eye. Light needs to land on me, and glasses make sure that the light hits me just right. What am I? I am the retina. Think about all the people you see every day who are wearing glasses. All of those people would have a much harder time of things if glasses had not been invented. I'm not even sure what I'd be doing if I didn't have glasses. Like I said, I am so grateful to live in a time like we live in now. We just take glasses for granted, but for most of human history, if things were blurry, well, that was it. Oh well. That's why I say glasses are one of the greatest inventions of all time. What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out, so until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And we've got some birthdays today. Today is Ethan's birthday. Ethan is from Pennsylvania and Ethan is turning 5. Happy birthday, Ethan. Shiloh is from Nevada and Shiloh is turning 5. Happy birthday, Shiloh. Sebi is from California and Sebi is turning 5. Happy birthday, Sebi. Penelope is from Georgia and Penelope is turning 4. Happy birthday, Penelope. Marcelo is from Nevada and Marcelo is turning 7. Happy birthday, Marcelo. Ayana is from New Jersey and Ayana is turning 6. Happy birthday, Ayana. James is from Florida and James is turning 10. Happy birthday, James. Sophia is from Singapore and Sophia is turning 4. Happy birthday, Sophia. Benji is from Colorado and Benji is turning 6. Happy birthday, Benji. Luke is from Saskatoon, Canada and Luke is turning 7. Happy birthday, Luke. Murphy is from California and Murphy is turning 6. Happy birthday, Murphy. And Ezekiel is from Ohio and Ezekiel is turning 5. Happy birthday, Ezekiel. To all the grown-ups listening, if your curious kid wants their birthday mentioned on the show, please visit supportcuriouskids.com and join the Curious Kids Club. That's supportcuriouskids.com. See you tomorrow.